How to learn English from everything, anytime, anywhere. Part 1. Learning English starts with your daily life.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talk AI. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Rahul. We're so happy to have you here today.
Yes, today's topic is very special. How to learn English all the time, from everything around you.
That's right. Many people think you can learn English only from books or classes, but the truth is, English is everywhere. You can learn it from your home, your street, your friends, even from your phone.
Exactly. So today, Rahul and I will talk about how you can make English a part of your daily life. Not something extra, but something natural and fun.
Okay, Sarah, let's start from the beginning. When did you start learning English seriously?
I think when I was about 18, but at first I used to think English was so hard. I always worried about grammar and mistakes.
I think many people feel the same. I used to be shy too. I wanted to speak, but I didn't have confidence.
Yes, and you know what helped me? I stopped thinking of English as a subject. I started seeing it as a friend.
That's a beautiful idea. English as a friend. So what did you do differently after that?
I started talking to myself in English. For example, in the morning, I'd say, "Good morning, Sarah, time to brush your teeth," or "Let's make breakfast."
That sounds funny but powerful. You were practicing every day without needing anyone else.
Exactly, and it helped me a lot. Slowly, English started to feel normal to me.
I like that. So if someone is listening right now and they want to improve English, the first step is to make English part of their daily life.
Yes, let's talk about some easy ways to do that.
Learning English at home.
All right, let's start at home, your best classroom.
Yes, you don't need to go anywhere. Look around your house. Everything can teach you English.
Like what?
For example, label things. Write small stickers, door, mirror, table, light, chair. Every time you see it, read it aloud.
That's a smart idea. So if you see a mirror, you can say, "This is a mirror," or maybe even, "I'm looking in the mirror."
Exactly. And when you do your daily activities, talk about them in English. For example, say, "I'm cooking dinner. I'm cleaning the room. I'm watching TV."
That's perfect for beginners. It trains your brain to think in English.
Yes, and it helps with speaking confidence too, even if you're alone.
I used to practice like that too. I'd talk to myself when walking, saying what I see. There's a tree. That's a red car.
That's so good. You're using real life to practice English.
Learn English from morning to night. Okay, Sarah, let's imagine a full day of English learning.
Oh, yes. I like this idea. Let's guide our listeners through one day, from morning to night, full of English practice.
Perfect. So you wake up and say, "Good morning." Then what?
Then you can describe your actions. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm taking a shower. I'm getting ready for the day.
That's great. Then, during breakfast, you can say, "I'm eating toast. I'm drinking coffee."
Exactly. You see, it's not about studying. It's about living in English.
Yes, and during the day, you can read simple English signs or articles on your phone, even small things like news headlines or product labels.
Right. When you buy something online or from a store, read the English name of the product carefully. You'll learn so many new words that way.
That's true. I once learned the word moisturizer just by reading my skincare bottle.
See? English is really everywhere.
Segment 3. Learn English from your phone.
Rahul, these days, people spend a lot of time on their phones.
That's true. Sometimes too much.
Yes, but your phone can be your English teacher too.
How?
Well, first, change your phone language to English. That's the easiest way. You'll start seeing English words every time you open your phone.
Like settings, gallery, Bluetooth, airplane mode.
Exactly. You'll start learning common English words just by using your phone.
And you can also follow English learning pages on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, like English Talk AI.
Nice plug. But yes, really, follow pages that teach short English tips. Watch videos, read captions, and comment in English.
That's how you turn your scrolling time into learning time.
Yes, every time you open your phone, you're getting a little bit better.
Segment 4. Learning from small conversations. Sarah, what about speaking practice? Some people say, I don't have anyone to speak with.
That's a good question. Even small conversations can help. When you buy something, try to speak in English, even 1 or 2 words.
Like, thank you. How much? Have a nice day.
Exactly. You don't have to speak long sentences. Just start small.
Yes. And if you make mistakes, it's totally fine. No one speaks perfectly from day one.
True. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. So far, we've talked about learning English at home, using your phone, and small conversations.
Yes, and in our next part, we'll go outside, learning from the world, from people, and from fun things like movies and songs.
That's right. So stay tuned for part 2 of our episode, How to Learn English from the World Around You.
Thanks for listening to English Talk AI. See you in the next part.
Bye for now.
Part 2. Learning English from the World Around You. Welcome back, everyone, to English Talk AI. I'm Rahul.
And I'm Sara. We're so happy you're here again. In part 1, we talked about learning English from your daily life, at home, on your phone, and through small conversations.
Yes, and now we're going to step outside. In this part, we'll learn how to improve your English from the world around you, from streets, people, movies, music, and even travel.
That sounds exciting. So let's start our English journey outdoors.
Segment 1. English on the street. Sarah, have you ever noticed how much English is already around us when we walk outside?
Oh, yes. There are signs, posters, product names. Everywhere you look, English is hiding in plain sight.
Exactly. When you see a sign that says supermarket or fresh juice, don't just walk by. Stop for a second. Read it. Say it out loud. Think about it.
Yes, and try to make a sentence with that word. For example, if you see juice bar, say, I like to drink fresh juice. Or if you see pharmacy, say, I need to go to the pharmacy.
That's so helpful. And one more tip. If you see a new word you don't know, take a photo. Later, you can search its meaning.
Oh, I love that idea. I used to do that when I was learning. My phone gallery was full of English signs.
That's smart learning. Real life becomes your classroom. Segment 2. Learning English from people.
Okay, Rahul, let's talk about people. Sometimes we meet foreigners or English speakers, but many of us feel shy to talk.
Yes, that's common. But the best way to learn is to try. Even small sentences like, hello, or how are you, can help you start.
Exactly. I remember once I met a tourist at a cafe. She asked, "Can you tell me where the station is?" I was nervous, but I answered in English. It felt amazing.
Wow, and that small moment built your confidence, right?
Totally. After that, I wasn't afraid to speak anymore. I realized English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to connect people.
That's beautiful. So our advice is, whenever you get a small chance, use it. Ask, thank, greet, all in English.
Yes. And if you can't find real people to talk to, practice with AI voices or English-speaking apps. But remember, your goal is to make English a natural part of life.
Segment 3. Learn from movies and series. Now, one of my favorite parts, learning English from movies.
Same here. Movies are like magic classrooms. You hear real voices, real conversations, and you feel the emotion.
Yes, and you can copy the pronunciation and rhythm. Start with movies or shows that match your level. For beginners, cartoons or simple dramas are perfect.
Right. I started with Friends. It's funny and full of everyday English. When I watched it, I didn't understand everything, but I could feel the tone, the expressions.
That's the key. Don't worry about understanding 100%. Focus on the feeling and the phrases.
And here's a little trick. Watch with English subtitles. Read and listen at the same time. Your eyes and ears will learn together.
That's great advice. And if you hear a line you like, pause and repeat it. For example, if the actor says, "That's awesome," say it the same way.
Yes, copy their sound, speed, and energy. That's how you sound more natural in English.
Segment 4. Learning from music. Sarah, I know you love music. Do you think songs can really help people learn English?
Oh, absolutely. Songs are one of the best teachers. When you sing, you remember words more easily because music connects to emotions.
That's true. When I listen to English songs, sometimes I don't even notice I'm learning. The words just stay in my head.
Exactly. Start with slow songs so you can catch the words. Read the lyrics online and try to sing along. For example, songs by Ed Sheeran or Adele are perfect. Clear voice, simple lyrics.
Yes. And if you like rap or pop, that's fine too. You'll learn rhythm and pronunciation.
You can even translate the lyrics into your language to understand better. Then try to say them back in English again. It's fun and effective.
I remember learning phrases like "let it go" and "stay with me" just from songs.
Same here. So music can really make English practice emotional and joyful.
Segment 5. Learning from nature and travel. Now, let's talk about travel, even small trips. Traveling can be an amazing English teacher.
Yes. When you travel, everything is new. Signs, people, restaurants. You can practice reading, listening, and speaking at the same time.
Even if you travel in your own country, you can still practice. For example, when you see an English menu at a restaurant, read it carefully. Say the names of dishes in English.
Exactly. And if you go to a hotel, try speaking simple English sentences like, "I need a towel," or "Can I get the Wi-Fi password?"
Those small actions make you more confident. And when you travel abroad, it's even more fun.
Yes. I went to Singapore once, and I practiced my English every day. In cafes, shops, even asking directions. It was like living in an English classroom.
That's the spirit. Live in English. Don't just study it. Segment 6. Practice observation and curiosity.
Rahul, I think another important skill is curiosity. When you're curious, you learn faster.
Yes. Always ask yourself, what does that word mean? Or, how do I say this in English?
Right. For example, if you see something new, like a traffic sign that says caution, think, what is caution? Oh, it means be careful. Now that word is yours forever.
Exactly. English words are like friends. The more curious you are, the more friends you make. Closing of Part 2.
Wow, today we learned a lot. From streets and signs to movies, music, and travel, the world is full of English lessons.
Yes, you don't have to sit in a classroom all the time. Just open your eyes, listen, and speak. Everything around you can teach you something new.
That's right. English isn't just a language. It's a lifestyle. You can live in English every single day.
And in Part 3, we'll talk about something very special. How to keep your motivation high and make English learning fun forever.
Yes! So don't miss Part 3 of English Talk AI. We'll share our personal tips, daily routines, and some inspiring stories too.
Thank you all for listening. Remember, English is everywhere. You just need to notice it.
See you in the next part. Bye for now.
If you really learn English, please like, share, and subscribe.